Welcome back again to PFS Flames. Yeah, with our 17K and also, say, we're near to 20K where we're going to do the giveaway, but we'll probably do it before the 20K because I well want to give to him, I don't want to hold on it for too long because the TV is here and it's live and direct and it's easy. So, I'm going to make an easier way for to win the TV because if you wait for 20K, I tell them I don't know how long it's going to take, so I'm going to do an easier way. I'm going to give you an easy hint how you can win. Alright, the number is going to be right here. All you have to do is just each 3 person get to subscribe are 1 ticket that. So each time you go to a ticket, I drop it next. We all text on the number on WhatsApp, then we drop the ticket in the box. So each time, when you give me 3 screenshots with people who subscribe, we go drop the ticket them and go it. And then we do a raffle at the end of October to tell who win the TV. Not only the TV, I want to do something special, not only the TV, because if you give it to one somebody, it look bad to me, but I'd rather give it away to 1 TV plus credit giveaway plus maybe some other little item. So it can be anywhere on from, you can say anyone they're from and win TV credit and little things they get. If anybody want to come on board and give me things to give away on the channel, no problem. This channel is going to start to give away things every month now, starting from October. So at the end of the month, we're going to have raffles. So only to enter though, it's easy. Get 3 somebody to subscribe and then they will send you the screenshot. You have to make them send it back still. Send a screenshot. And then we'll send it to your WhatsApp number one as on the screen right here. So when you send me, we go to the confirmation number, we drop in at the box. So by end of month, on the listen note feed, we're going to shuffle it, call the number, but wish we have to depend live if you listen. If we not call, answer the phone in time because we are taking the number too. So if we not answer the phone in time, 1 call, that's it. Once you call it 1 time and miss the call, then the next person going deep again in the box because we go there live. So we're going to see say fair and square. So we dip again, and the next person come up, and we call them, and then win. Yeah. So please, I beg you no. Please answer on the phone by the end of October if you enter in there. If you don't answer, it's not my fault. But anyway, hope you enjoy this movie that's coming. Please, the more you like, the more it's better. The more you comment, the more better. The more you want to share, the more better. Please, I'm trying to change up certain things right now. I want to start to, when me I try to aim for, just make sure me happy, happy. The more we do movie, the more I'm happy. But not only that, me want to start to do giveaway every month so people can happy too. So please remember, like, please, me I beg you know, just like, share and subscribe. It's easy and it's free. And please remember how to enter. If you don't understand, please inbox me with the same number you see and I will reply as fast as possible. I may not reply in a minute, but maybe in 5 or so. The message you don't understand how me come up because a lot of people texting me, a lot of people calling me. Please do not try to call me straight most of the time because if you call me straight, you're not going to get me. You have to call me on WhatsApp because when you call me straight, Digicel is sending away some of the call because no people are calling for the day, so Digicel are sending away some. Sometimes they call you, you don't peep, hang up, peep, hang up. You don't now get me because I don't know what Digicel is doing. Tomorrow morning I'm going to go down there.
You see you?
What problem, man? Yes, I watch the plate.
Yeah, but right, if you say why problem, yeah, what tell you why problem now? You see you? You know I help me in the house. I come ask that question. I'm just so soft.
Listen to me. Me and family, me do everything. You wash and cook for you, and clean for you. Isn't that enough? Yes, sometimes we have money problem, but you have to just relax your mind sometime, man.
I thought it was sometimes. Sometimes I help me run our house. Huh?
All the while me help you, man.
No, sir. I mean, you say you want to get money, you spend it on a bar.
Me?
You spend it on me, right?
Me?
You will see a man, so Mr. Price, when you even wash plate, things we never did.
No, I mean, I always washing. Stop telling lies, man. I'm not washing.
So I'm an idiot. After me, the yard, cook, wash, everything for you, must get your money on the road, spend your power on mine. What about me?
Listen.
You know somebody?
Listen, when they have money, we give you money. You have no money now, so you kind of rough in a way. And then I said, you want to go, they go walk. You want me make, I want me give you time. You make $100, make you $50. But that since lately, no, me not get none because you don't really enough.
No, because they are spending for your woman in my road.
Sure.
Me hear about you put money in a woman panty side and a breast.
Oh, that's a joke with the junk.
Oh, it is junk. It is junk.
I mean, just in the advice of saying, alright, yo, we just put the money there. Put the money there. But just understand they say, around every day, you're going to find a man where you go.
And not every day. But the time when they ask me, so how me in a bed, I can't put money in my panty. You think me want to feel nice, want to feel special too. What's so special about them, the girl here, that's you can do the same thing to me. They're going to talk about money problem because you have to spend on them.
The money.
How money what?
I just put the money, man. I just, alright, you want to put money in the panty, just go to the club and wine for the pool and make did it. I will just tip you, baby.
What you take me for?
Alright, put one pool here then, and then.
It's your joke thing. Me don't want no soft man. Understand? I'm a real man. And so far, me don't see you do that.
Oh dear, you said that. You want one real. Me try my best. Alright, I promise you.
You try your best?
Alright, I promise you today. I will link my friend. I have some advice. I will come up and show you how to play the top.
You don't need advice with me. You don't need advice with me. You need to just be real and do your right thing. You don't know where find time and spend money on them the girly. I see you really treat me. And when me have money, me give you. And me just put you first and me I put really last. Because where you're lying, you put me on first.
Sometimes. Alright, you're well, you know. Just give me a little time. I will be the man when you want.
That's all it depends. Time. When the time they will come, you see the time around out.
You cause it sometimes because you talk about man. Man just kind of like man. Me a man, yes. You don't even know that.
You need to know. You need to behave like a man. You need to pick up a man job. You're not doing that. You be like a look up boy. I mean, I don't want to look up boy. I want a man.
You want a real man in your life?
Yes.
Oh. Just give me some time. Give me some time.
Time. That's why you're calling me not be a time.
You just get used to you.
Yes, I get used to me, but you want them the girly. Me have to feel that, you know. You know, give me money, but you want to give them. When you're sick, I didn't do that for you. When you want help, I didn't do that for you. When you're down, I didn't do that for you. But I'm here want to trade.
I promise you, we'll start to you.
Food bill in our house. Where do the money get paid?
Sometimes I want to drink. I take one drink, and you feel nice. You take another drink, and you feel nicer. Continue. The bar tempting. When you want to top there, the pretty girl in that bar and start drinking.
Oh! You have because I started with me and I call the girl pretty.
You
ever look on me and tell me it's pretty yet?
You're beautified.
You beautify, so I'm not qualified.
Me say you beautify meaning you're more than beautiful, you beautify. If a man look at you and say you beautify, you think God cheat because beautiful is just a word. Beautify, they don't know what I mean. So you beautify, you elevate. Elevate. Remember that, give that.
I even one word that beautify.
And I heard that in the dictionary. You're beautified.
Listen to me, I come go in a room, wash up them and I have to cook dinner too. I know you're going to find money because no food in the fridge. So if you fancy and cook and me hungry.
Alright. You know, I'm going to fire. Tired of this now. Alright.
Where are you going with today? Sit down, my body. If you want something, I will change up the rule in here, you know. I want to start to call me sir. You know what I mean? If you talk, you say sir. You know what I mean?
Okay, sir.
So, alright, place will clean up though. Change, you know. Because if I'm there, if I'm come back from prison, maybe I real, we just feel like we start hurt you. If you not listen to me, I say. You know what I say? So if anything I say for do, you just do it. You hear me I say to you though?
Wagwan, Rasta.
Wagwan.
Can't talk to you.
Wagwan, General.
Rough, man. Rough and hard, you know, man.
You can't make it rough on you, you know.
To me, woman, now, everything we do is a problem to her.
Yo, you see, discipline. I'm telling you one thing we don't want business. You have to discipline them.
No,
You have to train them.
when we clean up your house here, we wash and cook for you.
No, remember saying no. You can't move like a man, you know.
I don't want my money to the love a woman.
No, you listen no. You can't do them soft things there.
Sir.
Hello, when me talk, when me tell you say. Don't interrupt when me talk. When me tell you there are reason about some things that you talk.
Right.
Jump!
How high?
High enough. And jump and count.
1, 2,
Come here, talk for just one.
Oh, how you do that?
huh?
When I get out back.
No, man and man.
20,
How you do that?
21, 22,
Yeah, listen no man. Man and man, daddy.
Yeah, try.
25,
Principal, discipline, daddy. Discipline. I'm not bad enough. I'm not bad, but I'm just.
22,
Forget me. That face.
29,
Give that face.
30,
Jump.
31,
I said jump in a laugh.
32,
No, but
Stop it now and go on in.
33.
Stop now and go on in.
Alright, sir.
yo, I'm feeling woman angry with someone.
Listen, man. Oh, you do your thing. As a man, you have set rule and regulation.
Oh, try. Yo,
No, you can't try. You never try yet, but just do it.
me wash here, me cook here, me just
Listen
mess.
up. She have to wash, cook and clean. And if me hungry, she have to eat the food to me. I say eat. And she have to eat.
Well, me try. Me don't know, but me try my best because no matter what we do, she don't feel comfortable. Me might think about man and man.
Well, I can't help you. The most thing you have to go to serious and just tell her to jump. That I first thing I have to teach him. Jump and must reply and say, oh, I.
Suppose you not tell me that.
Try. Just try it first, man. Just try. You never can tell if not try. If you never try, you won't know. So you couldn't control nobody. But just try and see if it can work, it can work.
Alright, you know what I'm going to do?
Go
I'm
and
going
try.
right now
And try.
and try and come back and tell you how it works.
Yeah, man.
What you say? Jump!
Jump! Yeah, man. Serious. Don't laugh.
Jump!
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't know who will pick up this money.
Come back home.
You come back home, where did they?
Normally go with my friend, go link him.
You go, oh, it's the same thing me and tell them.
No, where I can go?
You looking at the kitchen?
I remember, oh, shoot.
Oh, after me tell her for wash the plate, my little dinner to make me eat.
Me
You can't a friend yard.
remember the plate, the man
if you don't buy period time, not too long left in the kitchen, and by the time must come back out, you're gone. You're gone. A friend more important than me.
No, me didn't go take advice. You can't say you want to be a better person, so I'm just going to take a little lesson.
So that could be weird. Me tell you something, you're hungry, pick up yourself and go look for a friend.
But
Advice can you for the belly? Me hungry and if you plate them dirty.
yo! Jump!
Wait just a sec. Come and show you how to jump. Come here. Yeah, I'm bright. Right. I'm gonna check my friend Brownie because me not understand this.
You know, see, no up in girl, come now.
What about good girl?
There. So you come over here, you alone. Now you come over with boy there, why there?
Why? You know something like him?
Where you left him?
He too soft.
So wait there. Show him two socks like him.
Why? Me can't wear the soft man.
So kind of man man to rough you up.
No like that still, but you see my man when me did that with into like a girl. More man as in man. He man a man.
You come like a girl. Say my girl just him.
I don't mean by it. Another day I was up right on the house side though. I tell me say go kill her for what's the bone and the cousin and bone the man. He man a girl up saying nah go. You know want what's by it.
Oh. I left him in childish still. I didn't see how he moves so in already get for relationship and then something.
And then again me a wash. And what there happen one day you know. Me say go pick up the bag and come in the house go give me. He man him can't go have fever so happy. Me say young man or young woman which one?
So you tell me say him want you do everything. And him nothing do nothing. How him a child king life?
You look so. You must cook and wash and clean and him can't help me in that place. No one leave me man them. One man actually can't. They don't help me around.
Well,
I'm do it soft man.
you better left him, yes. Cause you will soon find new one cause you're nice and you know say you look good. All that the youth they would have looking from high school days. You know say other day we pass him in a town.
Alright.
And he ask me about you. I truly know say you're still there. Make me even give me a number.
Right, but you never going to remember nothing about me. Because I'm going to be a
Yeah.
top boy in school, you know.
At markets we see my drive and Rolex pan and you want say boy look good.
So you have money then, man.
Girl,
So you have money then.
me say you better than him did there when you look you. Cause at least me know say that they are better place right now.
Actually, you know.
That's why I say see when somebody a look you, you must always even try to get from one person cause you don't know what outcome can be.
Actually.
Because look there now, in a big walk, you must see a manager a hotel or something.
Should I take your picture, you know? Because this is when I'm into a what list. Somebody have to left him.
And that's why me, you know see me not have nobody. Me single as it is. I don't have nobody and I don't want nobody as yet because as I said, man, nowadays you can go take up a man now and him no want nothing. I kill me, I go kill him.
Why? And somebody my woman beat her too again, you know.
That I next thing again, if no man feel like say them a come put their hand on me, especially in my house or not even in my house, we can live with him still and him feel like say him go lick me. I want because me not to make no man lick me.
But then take it for your clone. And you think stick.
Not be a massacre in my house and I go like one destroyer.
And you yourself. A long time in there from you, so what going?
I think now go and just go and work and come back in because I don't have nobody. So, you're not going to really see me on the road again like we didn't come back up by a bar because it don't make sense because drink rum and I have nobody to come into.
True.
It don't make no sense. Much night me in a bed drunk and I spin up and down.
Why hold me pain up? Nothing we can pick up or cry. No hold me pain up.
How you paying up?
Tell her, you come like a me and man and a woman now one. Him man not help me around nothing in the house. And when he get money, the man doesn't like give me $1. Every time he hear him, I start to buy put in the house. And when he do get him that thing, you know, put in the house.
So, what I tell me say, when he wants to buy, to put in your house, when he turn on him, and you come to money for?
Yeah. I only have money, you know me, you know. You got running drink out, and me I hear say, I got club, and dash money in a panties high, and they must immature me. So I could buy this, I just take a walk and
After you collect your pay, and you gain it, you're buying big fish and big food and clothes and all kind of something. And you tell me, say, after you strong up your boy back with too much big fish, you might go on road, go look at that woman. Me just strong living and sleep.
That's why I have to left him, because I can't buy the thing there. The thing there are fooling me.
You can't collect half of your whole your pay and give half of it. You must have sense.
Why?
So why you tell me, say, I just look working when I get in bed, are you happy for that?
If you there, give me a little school and when you do that, you will be so bad.
Me not say no. Me not say you no fee. A man must give you everything and you no fee give a man nothing. But you can't have a man, him live it, we live with you. You give him money, you mind him, and on top of that, him a go a road, go look at that woman. You're sick. You rather me mind you, me give you money and do everything for you, and you just stay loyal to me. We don't have a problem. But me give you money, food and everything, and sex, and you go out the road, go look at that woman, you must be mad.
I regret the day when me and them. I regret.
With that, you know what I do? I go some bus up me mouth and push my hand way down in my gut and take up back everything I'm putting there. You that joke?
That's so wicked, man. That's so wicked.
No, sir.
Like, I'm gonna put in jail right now.
I am going to jail. Because look how you lie to him and love him. Other day you come over here. That I last day I see you.
Yeah.
I see you with big chicken where you buy one bowl of chicken. And I see you with oxtail and you say you're going to make your man Sunday dinner. Remember last Sunday the time I see you? And you say, girl, you must say, me now come out you know because you want to make sure your boyfriend alright. And I say, boy, I treat you. They are bar with other girl. And then sit me and make me evil scared, you know. That's why I don't want no man, you know. I don't want none because I know how I stay. Just like you know, same some take care of them, you know. Remember what Jason do me, you know. From 5 years, me and Jason left, you know, I know me look for my next man. Because said so me used to there and come in and me give Jason my money and something. And tell him, say, make sure say you buy things put in the house because I say me at work and come in 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
And you know what boy do? Boy buy be a supper gin, biscuit or something.
Like,
and have it, I feed the power and girl when I came in my house. Yes.
like,
Jason there, you know, say me come in by 12 o'clock latest.
oh.
In carry girl by 5 o'clock, me have the girl here who will be here till 10 o'clock. He left out of the house here with the girl and spray up in here.
So it's
And why want me catch up on him now? When he go to the supermarket, me give him $20,000 and he go buy some groceries and he buy 12 suppagent. And I know say him not drink 5 suppagent or 6 suppagent in one day. When me come back at 6 suppagent, me see what I told me say, Jason, how you drink some suppagent? There's no way you can drink 6 suppagent in one day. We are running belly. And still and be a food back at that.
Man, thanks so. Why? As me did I say that the thing they're going on my they have to leave here and they have to go walk out. But just come on, you know what go on and show them 10 years still.
Alright, up on the road, me have to, you know.
Alright.
Up on the road.
So me I come here.
You want me to go?
Alright.
Purple and drink off that, because I'm thirsty.
Yo, nothing. That now works. She put me in that room and beat me, man. We can't. This don't work.
Come teach you something.
This don't work, man.
I'll show you something. I'll show you what going on now. You see me now? You can't just go over there then. Because you see one way. If you see one way, she go see another light there. You have to make you see one different light now. You have to shape up yourself. You have to what? Different. You have to start arrange up your face. That's what I realize. You know what I mean? Just start looking crazy like a mad out. You know? You just have to do some things, man. Tap in, you know? Then you hold her and shake her too.
So you shake she too.
Yes, because at first you need them soft. So you have to shake them, you have to do your walking too, you have to do your talking, like you talk different. Yo, you know, chat, you know. You have to start, you're stronger than her. So you know if you're over there strong, you have to show her you're stronger than her too.
I'm trying that
You have to hold her.
Alright.
So you see nowadays now, alright, we're going to go on. So most of the time she take a lick from her, she thinks she beat you. This is the time when you go over now, you change the ruler now. This time you go beat her. Before she start licking, you start licking her first.
No, because everything licking woman.
No, listen to me now. Teach me something now. Before she start lick you, this time now, you tell that you feel like you want to change, man. You start move different. You go over there, change the dressing too. Get your hat put back here, tight curtain when you just start move different. You understand? You serious of face and then you start beat her. When you start beat her, you get in control. That you can't just go over there, so that's in beat you up. You have to change it. You have to change your work. You have to change your style. So if you want bees bite you, and when the bees bite you, you just feel bad.
Alright, I'll try one more time.
Yeah man, this time I tell you when the bees bite you, feel bad.
But no, we have an idea now how to control them. Man. You're going to see difference.
Alright.
You're going to see difference.
Change your walk on them. Change your walk.
Badman walk.
Badman walk.
You can't make any catch you put here.
Oh, look how I don't see you.
No, ask me no question. How you pick up and go?
Look about same place. What's it going to be here, man?
Come here, one of them here. My furniture. I must stand up and lock up. Look at the place. Watch out. Right now, be able to send them my food. I don't know long talking. So I see me left out, not with no question. And I played them still nothing. Then I wash.
No, me wash them.
Go wash them now. No, not kill the place. Me don't like to eat dirt on them foot bottom, so sweep up the place and wipe up this one and cap down with. You understand? Me I come go in and down. I mean not talk again. I mean need dinner.
Pauline.
Why if you do whatever leave open and face nobody come in alive?
No, sir, because you can't live up in and out. Because, remember what you tell us when I go on the road?
Yeah.
You end up meeting a youth when I talk around.
Aye.
You soon come over here too.
That's nice.
Things are going between me and him. You know, I'm kind of like him.
I'm gonna want my life for me, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
How you going?
Alright?
Yeah, man.
The hair look good though, it goes nice.
Yeah, man. Thank you. So I text you come in on your phone.
No, really. I smell that. Yeah, I smell that club. No? We can't talk right now. We call out. We call him out.
What about your phone?
Be one of my friend them.
What kind of friend I call you now? And you say you can't talk now. Which friend that?
Abby.
Abby. And you can't chat to Abby. Let me see your phone.
Babes, you
Yo,
can't.
police. Nobody how you chatting.
Babes, you can't
Pull
go
the
in
phone.
front of my friend.
Girl, cover your eye to your next one. Pull the phone. Come here now when your friend know where you start take back a call and say. Who and Kevin? I said Abby spell K-E-V. We can't, yo. Girl, yeah. Alright, you know me I'm with you.
No, sir. I'm getting from a dinner man I want.
Yeah, girl. How you feel on the money?
You be love me until I dinner man I dinner man me want. Man. And the man they more will stand up to themselves. Understand? What a man.
What do you mean by man?
If
This
it's
your
like-
man? Your sister abuses.
No, I cannot. I must show you love. I love that, you know. Okay. I dem my man me want. I some want my man for me. Dem my man yeah. My man will rough me up.
Right now, me sorry say me pick him up. The year me I try to get out of this relationship because me not stand up and make no boy come abuse me.
Really?
In my house at that too.
Really?
No,
Sorry.
this not right.
You thank God see I have him.
Me make a phone call come in from my phone and come and chop me in front of people. No.
You lie to him for the info.
What I'm doing?
You lie to him. You see no Abby and I must mix and
Abby just call me girl. See, Abby.
But when you say Kevin,
He mad. Me I go leave him alone.
I
Cause
don't see you, don't touch one.
I don't know. Best thing to say, we meet the boy and when we meet him, we all go Devon House go eat some ice cream and some everything come out good. But me night, the boy just lash out for me and the first thing I'm saying, alright, me make that pass. Now again this happen. Me can't make this slide.
Make it
I
slide.
had them say you want the man.
And the man me want man up. The man. They say I to come in that you they to come in a man.
You don't know
Them
what
the man me want.
Girl, you don't know it till you feel it. And you're there say who feels it knows it. And me I tell her say, this year thing you're going not gonna last for long. Because me not gonna stand up and make a boy choke me and put his hand on me, mad. Are you gonna like that?
Why is you not be a father? That show you say you are good luck that. A good luck.
Good luck.
I should have me have that the boy then. Never let him go.
Can't believe this.
Never let him go.
This boy, after me even meet, me even know him say a year or a month or 5 months. Me just know him.
You just show you saying love.
And if me just know you and you gonna show me your true colors. If me can't in a long-term relationship because this can't last for long. Me now in a no relationship and no boy abuse me. You like it, you can't find one in a relationship.
And a true love, you know, nobody
True love
from him.
That's not true love, baby girl. That I'm not true love.
Why you don't understand because them a man and me want them a man. Them ya. You know how man like my man we soft and go like you have no sense. Them a man and me
Your
want.
man where you have I him if take. And that the man there is a man.
No sir, him.
And that the man they act like a man. And him take decisions like man.
Not all.
So you forgive thankful for your man where you have because he act like a man. This year boy act like a waste man.
I love a boy, I think I see him pushing up because somebody takes a phone.
Push me down, cause my head is going that wall.
You would push him man. He would do that too. He would do that.
In a my house, my place where me a pay rent for, when me a work off my ass for to pay rent for, this boy come and put his hand for me. Eh?
But alright then, you don't like him up me.
So you see this, and you like this. You don't know what me I go through behind closed doors, here? You don't know. So you just see one little scenery and feel say everything good.
Alright then, but a man like him, me want. Like a man up his hand, right? I'm glad to have him still.
Boy come in and also and fight me off over a phone call. But I like them something the man, and you like it, but me and you are two different persons still.
Alright.
We like things different. But me I tell her say, I know one good boy that when me meet him, me thinks that everything the dog go good and he nice and handsome, but he show me colors them from early. Early.
So sure say he related to that.
You know, come go here. Can you tell her rubbish? Come on. You want to go sleep, you know, go on and lock up the door here.
Alright, take care. But a man like them, me want man more. Me don't want to look a boy, I'm a soft boy. No, sorry, that's really have map out the place. At least even if it were open, make me go to your kitchen. Hello? Yes. Come here, sit down. Listen to me now. You see you now? You see you? You still get replaced. Yeah. Because no matter how Mr. want a man, you just can't give me a man. So you still replace. You still get replaced. Yeah? Don't worry your head. Yeah? Alright.
What you just said to me, sir? Tell me what you just said to me, sir. You soon replace me. Listen to me, Mr. Nice Boy, done. Man and man, that you say? Man to be like man?
Yes.
Let me tell you something. You see? Let me tell you something. You want to know who is man? A man with your hand. A man with your hand. Eh? Let me tell you something. Man and man. You talk about everything in here. You are singing in my ears. But man and man. You are who says I pay that. Don't put yourself in a problem, you hear? I'm telling you. A matter of fact, you see anything she do in her house, she'll do that. There's no wrong with me. You're bright. Correct. Replace who? Mama, me you can't left. Remember me tell her that every child left me. Remember me tell her that me cut out your something make you left ya. Anything I left ya, all the something. But you can't carry with you. You see what me tie to, if you gonna stay ya. So you look up and tell me about, yo, sit down there, so remember, you're the man of the house, you know. Tell her that, you hear me? I say, get up and go in the room. Get up. Don't come back around now. Come, Virgin Fire. Blazing. Yes, I. Yeah, work, man. From you hear me voice, man, work. Yeah, man, I'm in control, man. Yeah, man. She don't know what she doing now. She bring out the wrong thing out of me cause God know me name wow. You remember my past then. That's why I get so soft. Cause the first one of me that me used to do some terrible things that I change and then push out. Nothing. Listen, me link you all in there. Alright, aye. Right.
Jesus Christ, hold that. Oh, man.
Get out of here. I like one car bounce yourself.
I really care.
You know the voice, the man show up.
You know what I said? We might beat me.
What?
You have to be that chemical at that place, you know what I mean?
Your man beat you.
Boy.
Boy, Father God, if you have music all up here. When my man beat you, you said man you keep on telling me about how man must act like man. Man must take decisions like man. Man must do like man. And when you do, you take up things like one and give some lip.
What do you do? Nobody want a man.
Yeah, that's you never want a man.
Oh, sorry.
That be hold you. Because you see my boyfriend round there and chuck me and come and chat about how and them the kind of man you want. See you get piece of your piece of your own pie where you talk where you want how it feel. How it is. Alright. Just like how me I tell us a girl. How you feel like when a man beat you? Eh? What kind of feeling you get when a man beat you? You feel like say when you come in the room all me and push me. That didn't feel nice. First of all, I feel down. We have emotional problem because how somebody where you deal with can they beat you, eh? And now why you don't make him man beat you? Because why you tell me about that man don't feel like not like a somebody who abuse you.
After me left your yard, I tell him say I see what crazy. You want me by my throat.
And strong with you?
I told him about my hand, straight to the wall of my hand.
So when they thump you in your throat to make you can't chat?
Why squeeze behind the hand, the girl said squeeze that.
So why you tell me say you come over here come perplex him and brain and jolt him and make him and have to lick you? So you didn't want to lick? If I say I didn't want to lick girl, I could have tell my man to give up for me share. He would have gladly lick you. You don't know that? Eh?
I'll make you all the world suffer with the master here.
You feel it now. You feel what we are going through now. You don't want no man. You don't want no man to act like man and take decisions like man again. But you see, put fun and joke aside. It's not nice when a man abuse you. First of all, a man is supposed to put their hand on a lady. That's wrong. You understand? So that the boy, me have to cut him off, you know. Me have to cut him off because no boy now come beat me. They must fall in a beating. Right? Much as your man come up now and we are big man, for your man come and take sick and we are live with him. You sleep with me. we are cook for you, we are clean for you, and you end up with your hand power. That not right? How they would like for their mother, somebody beat their mother. Some of them didn't even business about their mother. Right? Because two of me see some of them boy treat their mother. If you treat your mother so, you're not gonna have no love in your heart for nobody. Try you deal with your mother so. You can't love nobody, especially woman. And most man them are gonna love. And some of them man, yeah, they deal with man good. And they deal with them woman like a dog. Let me show you. They treat them virgin like a queen. And then woman they treat like a the slave master them. So you come here tell me how the boy, the man where you have your staff and you clean up the place and you don't want that.
No,
Me would have want that because me have experience of how a guy treat me. See, we didn't even know each other for a month and look how he come and treat me. So imagine, just imagine if me and him did a little longer. You know, see me be a black eye. I be a dark shade with that fear weird. So you see, don't draw out a man. Because if a man deal with you good from day one, don't draw him out. Because everybody can draw out, you know. Remember me tell you. God and devil in everybody. Just like good and evil, it's in everybody. So you see, if you have a draw out the man, he not gonna have no other option more than to hurt you. Me nah pick up people, you know. Me nah pick up people. Because man are wicked. Because how that the boy they lick that girl. One night before that, you know, say him coming in the second night when me and him a chat. And him came with Burger King. The boy come in, you know, and just through cause your man and nice, me did hungry some eat off my burger from the road and take piece of the burger. The boy boom and fling the burger out and you know so from that, me know say aggressive like that. Because if me can just take piece of your burger and you top, and you box out the burger out of my hand, you don't want it. Me say different. And then in try to hit me and then he come push me. So then they look at something, they pile up and say, you're an abusive person. You could have dead. The man could have taken out the whole and stress fire and kill you. Alright.
You stand yourself, man. But you know, you have to do
Then go and come, I want to go put your man in there and him come beat me. And then I have to go tag and war. So I'm going. Go up the hill. Yeah, I'm not sure if they can start the one that was finished.
Nah, that is one good. Baby, you see how I get a nails done. You have a pedicure, foot pedicure, you know it, right?
Yes, soon. Never time.
I get one into different liquor.
That's nice.
Of course. You look pretty today, bro.
Thanks.
We give someone if you like your nails, make your mad doing it, and goes up, you know.
Ready?
Bye-bye.
Two lovebirds. Yeah. I think I'll go walk into my corner here.
You went up in irons.
You see, I like a song out
Yes,
there.
we talked about shelter.
Oh, you have to play it, man.
So what did they call?
No feel shy because my boyfriend there, you know what I'm saying?
I'm pretending now, there, man. You can't shut.
Oh. That's crazy, auntie. Yeah, it's real for auntie. Boy, you can't believe. Yes. Auntie, I can't say. Uncle Samuel's window.
Alright, do I have to?
So wait, it's rain or fall?
So you're not supposed to out the fire?
No.
So you're not going to eat it. So you're going to want these ideas.
Go in the bathroom. Can you bathroom?
That's what there is now. You're like, if you want these ideas, you come back and go mashing up that.
Well, I need bathroom really want to use it.
Mm.
I go look and see if she gone. I know say, let me see if it cheat right now.
You
I
think
said,
it's cheap?
yeah, come and like you.
Alright.
The first day I meet him, I like him.
So, how you like so?
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
I'm not doing this, you're serious. I don't care.
How much is this serious?
Show me if you're serious.
How much is this?
Yeah.
Alright, sure. You know. Why am I like
Alright! Now get feeling today. Yeah, man, tomorrow. Alright. Asha, you ain't gone?
No, sir, I'm going to use the bathroom as I want to use the bathroom.
So, I want to keep it look so be. I'm nearly for bed, so.
Because right now I sleep, I'll be able to go sleep. But yeah, twist and turn and go on with this. No, I don't care about for me.
I don't care about nothing.
You know what's going on?
I want to smell so.
I bought you medical use right now.
Alright, so like where you're from, yeah, I'm going to go now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right? What happened to yours?
No, Uncle Sam was born down, but.
Yeah,
Yes!
what kind of fire that?
Paul Patton left out the door under the shed and the place burned down. One piece of fire, the vehicle rain for the whole thing. A fireman still have to come.
Boy, if you didn't tell me, I could have come out here and I want to touch your car. Sorry, I bought time for my joke.
And now, Auntie take him up though and put him on my house. Big things are going down there.
So,
Everything burn up.
everything. That's such weird though.
And then me have time because me have to move some stuff.
I'm sitting there, we straight down to the business. What about it?
No, man, we can't smell that in your man now.
Because I told me to be coming last time. I know I deal with nobody sometimes.
So what you sitting there over here?
Oh, I chat him and chat and I tell me life story. But some P money have or something. But I just chatting to him and years and give them some even like this. So I have a point to.
As that she did come over here to talk about our relationship because I'm a good friend still. Me and she reason about everything. Good girl.
Boy, I think I know a good girl. He loves, I be a good girl, but he loves chatting too much. I just that me personally can't take with him.
You take off the hoodie? Oh.
You're hot, man. You're hot, terrible.
Oh God, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Come on, go for it.
You want me food? No man, I want to get.
Come on, you gotta stick here.
I want to be able to, like you told them to put in line. Yo, no, I have more towel.
Oh. Where I come from? We are telling us if we cook. Sit down as a man, the phone. Yeah, where's that? Me there me yard deal something. What go on? Me down me yard deal something. What go on? Don't I bottom yard. Where you say now? Talk to me, man. Because right now, me cross and hungry. What happened? Oh, alright. Alright, later, yeah. Huh? Me soon cook, man. Don't worry about that. Me soon cook and send some food come here. Don't worry about that. Food will come. Don't worry. Yeah, me now I'm meeting right now. Me soon call you back. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Now, back to you now. Because I don't think you can take me for either. They say if you act like man, so me act like man now. Joshua, where your friend here that come from? Your friend Brian. Stand up. Stand up. Jump. 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 Yeah, man, jump. Bark like a dog. What me say to you, say?
You gotta do extra.
Bark like a dog, man. Bark. You say act like a man. Bark. Sit down, man. Sit down. Come. Come! You must come. You see me again? You must come back here. You must come back here. You bright. Come here! So, no man, put on chain. No man, something alright. Come here! Come back inside. Come back inside. Yeah. What you smell, sir? You sure that's where I come from? How you smell like?
How?
You know, I'm carrying my check you. You come.
For what?
Come on, listen. Hey, girl, yo, let me tell you something. You see, with me, you want to be like a man. Don't show you how man work. You just left here a while ago, you beard before you left here. How you smell, so? How you smell like a sex? Like you just done sex?
Me?
Hey! Let me go in and go check right now. I see one bruise, because I must have been touch a tree there now, you know. You see one bruise down the center, girl. Now you're going to have a problem, you know. And you can't tell yourself. And your finger do it, you know. Because no finger can't put no mark there. So, I'll teach you something, because I feel like someone no cheap man can't know. Or only idiot man don't know. You see, me go in the room and me check and me see a mark. Remember me tell you that mark not going to be a mark again. Because you're not going to live to see the next day. Come, go on the sun. Go on the sun. How are you?
Hi, what's something there? I'm in late.
You see that room cramp up, you know?
I didn't say she would call for.
No, see that son. Are you walking at my woman who give to man?
What?
Listen to me.
No, fix up the arguments straight, sir. Me, I can't man, congy man, how that?
Because she just left the yard today and come back here, bruised up.
Over my yard today, right? Over my house here, over my yard with my boyfriend. And my friend will never do that. Never. She has a talk about you. So, you are a man. But she has said too soft, but you get bad now. Well, she said she love Badman, but she get Badman now, so she would cheat.
Listen, my Empress, let me tell you something. See your friend now, me love your friend, that's why. Me used to be a bad man back in the days. Me used to beat woman rapidly. Let me tell you a little story where you go first. Yo, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. Yo, what me always want to say? What me always want to say?
What do you know?
One more time, me tell us, you know, walk up and down with the boy them on the road. You know, me there hear about you. Girl, me kill you. You hear? One more time, me have to beat you every day. Me have to beat you if you want. You know, learn. No, yo, I'll teach you something. I'll tell you something. Don't romp with me. Because you see me not romp with a man. Yo, sometimes I see like, yo, you don't even know me. I try to be calm. But you mess up my meds, yo. You mess up my meds. Why you do that? Tell me, you not happy? You not alright? What you want me to do?
I never walk up on them with nobody.
So how you name I call up on the road? Eh?
I don't know. People just don't like me.
Alright, you know me I try to tell you, say, I'm tired of beat every day. So I'm going to make a promise to you right now. So I'm pull on this. You see, I plan today, me not the beating I know woman again.
You sure?
My baby's a soft boy. So yeah, with me, I tell you, say now, if you want to left, you left, do. But me not going to kill no more. Me just feel like, right. Abusing, but sometimes it just trigger me brain to beat everything. But I feel like as of today, we top beating now. You get enough. I think you're past 100 what I beat. Do it at the time. I'm not have a sign. Just do it. But now we can't do. I'm promising that. You done this. I don't want no more beating and nobody again. It's done. Me just abuse a soft, cool boy, Sometimes you have to tough up my hard part, but no. But I'm just go back to my normal self. Because I say, you're not going to take here, say.
Because if you say you don't do it and you know they walk up and with nobody, well, it's good. Continue the way. Don't worry, I'm check off. We'll change the part of style and everything. Just do that. Yeah? Let me check. I'm dash with it. I'm burning. Don't worry, I'm not beat you again. See, you understand me? I try to show you now.
Oh.
Your friend pushed me to the limit to go back to that days.
But still, me not depending on the side, you know. When me come over here, come look for her, and she tell me say you beat her. So when she tell me that, me I say look here, it's must you provoke him, you know, because how she always come tell me how you're nice and you're soft. So why you would get so angry upon her to take out and beat her? Now that the man are there, understand?
They always say, no, that's what I try to show you. Every day she get up, man and man feel like man.
At the end of she depend, because when my boyfriend over there, him very abusive. I mean, I like that. So one day she come over there and my phone ring and he took him and say, I that the man there, he like, because he rough and fear man now rough him up. So my friend, you know, when he come over here and see she ban up on something, me I say, no sir, I will go on. He tell me say, I man beat him. And he not like that.
No, listen, no, man, never stand up. Never stand up. It's a man and man feel like man, so me stand up. We just go back to the old days and the old days just chip in.
Eh.
And look, it's in the second old days of chipping coming to take up gun, you know. Me I tell us, you know, when we take up gun and me I go use it, me I put it back down. Because when I don't shoot me, I foot them. Me not want to kill me because I don't hurt woman. But the thing is, why me have to stand up on her, you know, I'm tired right now.
Well, me I tell her say, oh, she come over me yard and I say, how you stay? Me frightened. Because me I say, oh, she a tell me this and then next minute she a tell me a different story. Because she say you beat her, I'm thinking that she like. And that she like, so how she a complain now?
A bad man she wants, a bad man she can get. You see, these young girls nowadays, let me teach you something. You see, these young girls nowadays, yeah, when you see a girl and a talk about them one bad man, and when they get bad man, they can't manage it. I eat at them because they don't know, so they abuse themselves. If a man lick you one or two, they may not have a one time, because one time we
You
understand.
make that pass, yeah.
But if a man constantly beat you, everything you left.
True.
Because if you don't lick your knock you to one day, cancer will. Because when you have butt abuse your skin, you can't have cancer. Suppose you keep on your breast, you have breast cancer, you're dead quick. I see nowadays, we teach you something to man, we insure you. And kill you off.
Insure me.
Yeah, then put
So
you
they can get the money.
I mean, you now get your dead, and then I get the money.
Well, man, you know anything about that. You want to teach me.
I'm going to try to teach you the ropes. Alright, me a man, see, you can't trust every man. If 100% a man you want, just do not trust.
You don't trust money now? Because me did single and then me beat my boyfriend now on the road. And me see him do two things. The first time me see him do a little incident and make that slide. The second time now, me not make it slide. Me dey put him tear tight now because if him not change, him not beat me, you know. But he must all look weird.
Me teach you something. A man with body, you see just like when you say woman, remember I say no dog, you will always see dog on the road and do them little thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
You ever catch a cat yet?
Cat?
Puss, as in puss.
You know, so me have two puss on my yard.
You ever see them, you ever see them do anything?
Them smart because me see the puss, they behind the puss. Like how when dog and do anything. But through me there on the veranda, I still gonna look on them. The puss to behind them. I like woman puss. Sister me I watch them. Every minute woman puss box off woman puss because he don't want to do it in front of me.
Right, so that better show you say woman's skill. So, me not trust her, because she can go out to cheat on me just now. She'll do anything. I don't.
And my friend another type of girl. Me I tell you that. My friend different. When I'm one man she say, a one man she say.
So, mama, me ask you a question. I cheat there, no, me and I don't do nothing. Cheat there, and when me just, me smell her, and when me carry her in the room, go check.
When you smell her?
Nothing she come here.
But over me yard she come from. And wait there.
Alright.
Wait there.
Alright.
When me go to me yard too, you know, my house smell funky, you know.
Alright.
Bed root up. And my boyfriend is over there. But me can't trust my man still, you know. So,
You know,
no saying not that he would have never have sex with. No, men would have never have sex with no man in our house.
no, you don't have sex with them and you can't have sex for the road before you go there. You don't have to have and you can do it after.
Before from cause I could never with my
Listen me now. I the man when you want me to be like me and be you see.
so as she come over me I come funky up me house.
Maybe as that because I don't like to say no. So me just beat my while ago. Then chop asleep, you know. But beat him till he knock out cold, you know, man.
You beat him again?
But-
Well, that the man that she like still.
Listen, man. Me don't want to go tell you idiot. Me are you there? Me are you there? You know, come, give no man none of my cake. And me alone to cut it.
Yeah, you alone for creamy cake and everything to the cake. You alone for me and my cake.
You know what I do? If I come back over here again, you sit down and talk to her. Because we can't change it. We can't go back to my soft ways.
Oh,
But you look like a this way and she want the bad man way. You ever get a hard knock from that? You ever get a knuckle yet?
I never get no hard knocking, but the one when me have a go on like you want beat me. And me sit down with him and I say, look here, me no love Badman.
I'm going to teach you something. Me a man and I'll tell you something. You see in life, woman don't deserve beating, but you see them push their limit to an extent and like cheat and them something that you can play with them mates.
Mm-hmm.
If me pop 2 pilling done,
Come to a kind of thing, Mali.
some, you know, have to be mad, it can be something where your head go loco.
Yo, Mali, me can't go local, you know. Me no want nobody in my community to take no Mali, you know. Because me no want no man come and kick off my door when they take Mali, you know. Mali is a pill, me hear them about it. When I take it, I want different person coming at you.
Listen, just one her because me
You
love it,
want
me love
her.
the bee, and me don't want to continue beat her because me not see myself that's the one. And my friend wise me and put me back in that position. Because my friend is not bad man. He just want to make sure the woman no control him, so he just start make sure he control she.
So, are your friend?
Push me to say yo, do that. Me try the first time I fail. But no, me realize.
Oh, so is somebody going to give some woman advice? And they tell us to be this way?
Yeah, but I was this way a long time, but I change. Because when you
Look
find,
here.
listen, love will make you do anything. Love will make you change.
Okay, my friend.
If you this is what me try to show you. If you're a thief and you go to church, you become Christian, and when you become Christian and you become deacon, and when you become deacon and you start running one church, you know.
Look here, wait.
You is a double thief, they say,
Let me
because
tell you something.
I never see one pastor when you take out money out of offering buy nothing for them can.
Fitch! No, you look like me and you have the same thing and I think the same thing. No, so I'm going to come back over here one day and make a reason. Because
No, over here are not free talking socialists. So if you come back with money. Because when pastor preach to you and tell you to throw in a collection plate, you don't throw in a collection plate. So you see me want my collection. So when you come here so me and give advice, you have to pay for it.
pay for what? You don't have a place right now. Because you just turned me off. You have a nice evening, Mr. Whatever you want here.
I don't want it to.
Brian,
You know what I'm saying out there though? You go out on the road.
that me I see.
I see you come to me, I come to.
Well, like, what she not there, you may come to.
So you want to do that.
I don't finish when we start off. Can go on too.
You can't do that man. Forward me.
Open it. That's my route. You gotta go find house. Come on, man.
Hello, you again, Mr. I'm Melly.
You know, so she gonna find the man, I'm not business what she want, you know.
That's crazy. I mean, you want to pass the dog there by myself, you know. I hope I miss Betty shop me, I go buy one Pringles.
Oh, you seem like a good friend still.
Yeah, man, me always yell her up and she's alright. We have good friends for a long time.
Remember the last time I tell them, say when they come back over here, you have to pay me for me advice them?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm not really going to charge the ice, you know. Because the ice seems cool. So yeah, you are the good one.
Good, well, me not say good or bad. Everybody are good and bad in them. But I'm just me.
So you're single though?
Well, me not tell you no lie, me don't sing because me I talk to one guy. Remember somebody I tell about him? Say, but him not going good. Him feel like he get too ignorant. And him feel like saying bad or, me don't know.
I'm going
You
to teach you
know in
something.
their head.
No, I'm going to teach you something. You see, most man go like them a bad man, but you see the thing is, every bad man have a weak strength.
Oh.
You see, if you can find a weak strength,
Mm-hmm.
you have full control. If a man raise their voice off and you say you call police for them and hear them pat down and say, baby, and then soft down with them voice,
Mm-hmm.
you know say I'm a coward.
Them a weak jelly bun.
Me don't know what to call that, but I don't believe in that. Top fella with the yo, me don't say, notice how they come up with them style for that woman that come on, but man. Top fella them because when you tell man to act like man and tell pound. We are man already. We are tell if you act like man, for we are man.
Oh, alright, me not gonna tell you that. I like when you hear about act like man, you start get up in your feelings, you know.
Yeah, me not like you. We are man already. We are tell about act like man. Wow, you want to turn batty man? We are man already.
Alright, sorry about that.
We not act like no other man. We are man. Tell us if step up and do better. But don't tell us you act like no man. We are trying to tell me.
Alright.
We are trying to tell me. That's rubbish.
Alright, what did I tell me about before anything also upset?
No, all of them I say, man, you don't make people abuse you.
Yes, you too. That's
As
why I
much-
cut him off. You well me there with me. I'll cut him off because as much as me kinda love him because he please me in a bed and
Oh, but I ask you a question now. Because you love him and you please him in a bed, you feel like say, you feel just champa you
no,
bang
I
up
said
and
him
go.
please me in bed like him good like that. But him have some ways so me not like him putting hand palm me and him get upset. Me not like that. Me not look up at him. Don't treat me like say me a kid. Me a big woman. Me have my own house. Don't come and feel like say you can come put your hand palm me. Me not like them something there.
You see your friend, and we need to know. We don't really want to lick her sometimes. But
She loving it. Boof him, buff him.
we realize I love him, say turn him on. But he can't manage it sometimes. He knock out. He knock out. He does a flat. You know, they lick and fall to the stone and a flat. That's how she get on. Sometimes I have to knock pan over my head.
You wake up.
What? Last.
We can rub him with alcohol. I always have a buckle of alcohol at bedside.
So you influence me if you continue that one, that's all.
And what she like, but anyways, want to go shop. Because in here get dark and me afraid of dog.
You know what I said now? If anything, I'm there to talk to you, because I like the Empress is good in a way, but you see, to me like you're a friend, I don't believe in the cheating.
You cannot take me number and me
Cut.
talk.
No man, just relax man. You just live near, you come by near. The thing is,
We don't talk about not like say me I look here. It's like
Oh.
a friend.
because she's a good girl now here, but she
Yeah, well,
cheat
I'm a
on me
friend
and
like
give her a chance.
The
Yeah.
cheat by your already tell me say.
But if she try that again,
It's true.
if she try that
She
again,
not cheat by you again. Me not think that. Nothing. She not cheat by you again.
oh boy, you don't
Well,
want
me have
to
wash up. Cause me like feel my boyfriend I had it too and him get cranky when him see me not come back. So bye bye. Nice to talk to you, yeah?
Yeah,
Alright.
see your trouble.
What's that? Take it on. Like But for me,
Okay, I'll go one.
Come on! I was. Girl! I don't remember you're in your week. Alright?
I don't like that, no.
Me have to tell you, me have a friend from home and I come over here and tell me about your man. I really love man. You lit up with in my house, on my bed, on my clean sheet, on my just wash.
It's not running. It just happened. I even come over to go and chat with anybody there. And the rain did fall, so we just came back and it just happened.
In a raw like that fish beach, eh? Smelly ya. Raw than the sea. You have them say tongue in your ride.
Come on, you're my friend, man. We can't just fight it about this now.
What? Come on, I'm not. Eh?
Yeah. I might tell you so you chat too much. Ask me, you want to do it? I get along with me years old and I chat. So people just say,
Oi, you know why you're not finding? You come out the house.
come out of what? You mean come out of what you chat with? You forgot how you doing?
Oi! Nobody feel like to me free like you. Nobody come bother play yourself now.
How you do?
I change girl I look for. You know before them call police.
Police, babes, what kind of police you call?
Oi! Oh, say cool now. Listen to me. One birdie tell me say no. Don't touch me.
You still man.
Don't touch me.
No, still man.
Somebody tell me say no. You're not bad.
Who
And
tell you?
come away with me. Come out the house. Come out the house. Don't come out the house. Dog. Right. Man, you tell me, you know, you go on like a bad, but you're not bad. Bad man, no go on, so you go on. I think, take off a shit off, I be there, man. You come right on me, babe. No. Leave a place here.
Oi. Where you come from? Who's your bad jeans up?
Because I don't even believe you. Not easy bathroom.
You know what? You use it. You don't want to fight bad. Oh. Just tell her anything about you know. Yeah, Marco. Yeah, man, I'm one that's running the man. You must run in belly. Start running in belly, I think. Well, I don't call about the Marco. Give me a sometime. How about you?
You know, say, I'm a man that just to take over me and cheat. I was going to tell you about my Pringles. You go get over there and cheat. You have your horse in my bed.
I don't beat him and the girl. What a worthless girl. Me girl off me,
Beat him and the girl. You don't hear the worst part yet. You
What?
know why you make up picture of bed.
I'm to that woman I start beat the girl and look a picture of the girl.
Not be my best friend. They go catch in a bed for your woman. I went there. You see a girl them and me can't believe say me the girl friend for how much years and he keep on tell me about you. And he go over.
No. Hold on. Rephrase what you just said a while ago.
Me go get you two of them in my bed.
Female woman.
I went there. I want to give her back. You want me to give my son a lick yes, man?
No, hold on. More to get it clear because me a man will jump to confuse them. You should say a female woman. You seen her in bed with them man.
Yo, me like me I tell her me a cheap story. Me I tell her say two of them.
Yo!
You there?
Come here to me.
I went there.
Sit down. No, no print of violence. As we tell us, we want to go back to the South boy thing.
Go tell them man where you do.
Come here, so to me.
I tell him go how it just happened. How something just happened. Something just slide up in a something and it just happened.
When she just tell me a while ago, say, is it true or is it lie or is it true or false? No have to know. You do the do with him, man. Or you eat the do. Which one?
So you think you answer?
No, it won't be answer, man. Because if you make me chip in the Badman rolling up, man.
No, not like that. Okay.
So when me ask you a question now, after we get to the first time, and email me to it.
Yes! You never see a road without a tunnel. You have no idea when you come over here and you rock me house with me man.
Because fear when she came in a man, fear came smelling a man, fear came charming up. So how is she?
Me see me bed root up.
One cause you never see a road without tunnel. Me never see a road without rock. This is what me I said to you now. Mrs. Patul, because they come like say every man jumping a fear. What? Mrs. Patul. Why you gonna take your best friend man? You gonna take one man from the roadside? Yup, I saw you hard. And she calm me down, from what you mean and talk and reason, If I never fish see me chip and choke out your life.
See you, girl.
No, relax.
If me the wicked like you, me that take your man.
No, I'm not saying go, you can't take me, so. I'm not saying go. Nobody can just come and take me. You have to win the heart. But let me tell you something, girl. Look over there, cheat us so good. And you're determined that you want a bad man. I'm a bad man, I got cheap on me. So for me, have a gold, will you not tell me, say no? So for me, go back to the old days when we have been gold, will you not tell me? You don't look for me and say sorry? So your 32 teeth, they would have disappeared. When I buy a couple fast teeth, me not run them through there. Your best friend, me not attack, me just attack with your best friend. You go take her man from what? And what? You don't get enough, you don't get enough. Me buy all. Cucumber, me say you mash it up. I'm gonna buy the real thing come give you, and you still not satisfied. And what do you want? What runs through your mind? What me not do right? Tell me, where you gonna cheat?
It just happened.
You just got there and it magically just happened.
And that more I know. My man something just slide up in here something. It just happened.
No, relax, man. You just relax. When we talk to her decent and properly, it's not how you deal with situation. I understand you hurt, but sometimes the man them fall too.
Me give him share, Me give him said thing about it, Badman. Me say me call police, he flirt at my house. Me give him one kick in it.
Calm down, we don't deal with a situation like that. See, don't get it, we don't like you. Because it's when we don't talk to you, only one option you have, and to go through that door. You can't come back here. Because we don't keep a woman we go cheat on. You say you want a bad man, you can go to the road, you find a better man than me. Because you know what? We don't believe in abusing woman. You notice that from me get a couple times they will stop. We ease off of you. We only rough you, right? And yet, you never go on the road, so forcibly come in and belly. How will you not get that jacket there? Answer the question. We come here and use boots. So who you are really think they don't mind one jacket and never tie me? Why your skin catch a fire so? Why? And then you run past and your belly are hot you. So I wash it one, I wash out the scent out of you too. Because you know some you come in and come check. You don't remember some bruises can't hide. You feel like some bruises cannot hide. You could have even beat some more, you could have even beat 1,000,000 times, you can't hide the bruise. Because you have to bruise up when you get to a point. Mama, I don't run them game there. I love you from the start, but you make me hate you now. Even more, me get a chance when you cheat for me, and because I say, boy, I love the impression, I love the vibe they give me. And then now, cheat again, you expect you deserve another chance? In a way. In a wish line. The Bible says we shall forget and forgive. But we can't forget. God knows. We cannot forget. How we go forget? And right now, I might can't forgive you, but not upon that. Come and support that. So, you are still a friend. Because she don't know if you're going on.
Friend, which part? Girl, if you come near me, the tap in your throat kill you.
Because she don't know if you're going on. Because me I put her out.
Why?
Why? Me never say they go over her friend yard, go under she go do what you fit do.
You know what? Me I left a place now because me no dey no third home, and meet you.
No, go call on yourself, man. Find another man. But no find one, no follow about man, man. If you say I hear that, look what we give you 4 hours last night. Where you gone? Where you do? You 2 years know something love you if you say me that don't get rid of you. Eh? Why you do that to me? Make me look like me an idiot. Me not do enough work hour.
Let's go sleep here. I can't forget about it, man.
Me, if you go sleep off, you forget. No, me remember. No, show me do it. Show me do it.
No, put me on.
Me say show me do it. You want me to start kick and back sit up? Show me do it. Me I told mama man right now, not even take a piece of jazz with him. Not even a piece of jazz, you know, come out here with and me buy all of them. This your mama man, I buy all of them. You show me door, man. What you do? Show me door.
May I come back later, eh?
Come back first.
So yeah, we're at the end of the movie now. Well, tell me what you think. I think me hurry too quick again, but we just want to entertain, you know, people entertain while me try to shoot some other nicer movie. But in the meantime though, please remember how to enter. If you don't know how to enter, just hit me up right here. The number is on the screen. Please and thanks. We want to start to make every viewers feel at home here. So remember, we are planning to do the studio though. I'm planning to set aim for certain things, and I want most of who is in the movie, I want to take them somewhere next year, so you guys will see that. Because I'm going to do a vlog with that. And I'm planning to do a reality between Mel Browning and anybody that more spicier, because while I'm not wait for a movie, I'm going to get reality every other day. So it's going to be fun. So I'm gonna do a lot of reality things. So tell me if you want the reality. If you want reality, I give you reality, because trust me, the reality is gonna be dramatic, because I'm gonna be in there and it's gonna be real life things we're gonna talk about. Cussing, fighting, you name it.